Hi. Don't know why I'm doing this, but I have the hiccups. I'm going to show you how to get rid of them fast. One way is to forget about them. I think mine have just gone away, which kind of sucks. Yeah, they're gone, but no, they're not. Okay, good. Take paper towel. Oh, magic! And this right here, a cup. Fill the cup with water. See, put the paper towel around it. And drink. It may not work on the first time, but it makes them go away a lot faster. Okay. So I think they're gone. I'm not quite sure. I think they're gone. So, I'm going to get rid of the hiccups fast. Paper towel, water. One more thing, sometime I'm going to show you magic trick, how to make salt shaker or pepper shaker just disappear. It's a simple magic trick I learned in this old show. I'll be showing that to you guys soon, and then showing you how to do it and all that. Bye. And rate, comment, and subscribe. Also, go to my page and look for me and my friends' reviews. Dominic, this is Hunter Rocks 1123. He would be the main account. I am the review section. So bye.